Today we're going to take a look at how to mix Castagra's new and improved patch and repair kits. You want to make sure that they're at least room temperature. So anywhere between 65 and 90 degrees is fine. If it's colder than that out, maybe throw them on the heater on your truck, leave them on the dashboard of your truck for a while, let the sun heat them up a little bit. It's just going to make mixing a lot easier. You're going to want to make sure that part A is well mixed. Usually we don't see any settling, but if you do feel any settling, feel free to grab a scraper or a stir stick or something, get it out of the corners. That's very rare though, so just give it a good mix. You're gonna fold over part A pouch, that's the bigger of the pouches, kind of like you would a tube of toothpaste, so you're squeezing everything into there. I like to use a stick if I've got one handy, but if not, just do it just like you would your tube of toothpaste. Just fold that over. Fold it, and you're going to start applying some pressure because you can see there's a seam right there. Now we're going to apply pressure until that seam breaks, but you'll notice it's not broken all the way, so we want to get some product down in there. Then we want to squeeze hard enough to break that seam all the way so that no unmixed product gets stuck in the edges there. This is the part you really can't overdo. You really want to mix this well. Right now we've still got a little bit of unmixed part A where we rolled that over. So after we think that we've got the part B well integrated here, we're going to go back for the rest of that. And again, this is where if you've got one handy, I love using a stir stick. If not, just use your fingers. Now we're going to repeat that process just to make sure we don't have any unmixed product. Again, just a matter of preference here, but we push that all into one side and we can cut this corner off. Now this is ready to be poured directly onto your repair area, or if you were going to add something like crushed walnuts to thicken it, if you were going to add hot sauce to accelerate it, or if you were going to add a foaming agent to make it expand a bit, you can throw that into a separate container and mix it using your stir stick. But if you're just using it as is, it's fine to just dump out right onto the substrate, use a brush or what have you to apply it.